Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop destination for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, I have come again with the best monitor. Yes, today we are reviewing the Mark Q 27-inch of Full HD IPS monitor that comes with inbuilt speakers and even 100Hz refresh rate, all at a super budget-friendly price. So, is this the best affordable big screen monitor for you? Let's find out. So, talking about its design and specification, this monitor comes with 27-inch of Full HD LED IPS panel giving you 170-degree wide viewing angles, which means no matter where you sit, colors look consistent. Full HD with 100Hz refresh rate, very crystal clear viewing angles because it has IPS panel, wider viewing angles and anti-glare display, which means we can watch from anywhere with 1920 to 1080 pixels resolution. Best enough for indoor usage. Contrast ratio, it has 1000:1, giving you deep blacks and vibrant colors. And since it's an IPS panel, you get great colors, accuracy and viewing angles. And you get this metal stand. Of course, it is supportive. You can't increase the length because it is not adjustable. And talking about the ports, you will get one HDMI, one VGA port, one audio input and one audio output. And here you can see the multi-function buttons. Now let's quickly go for pros and cons. It has a 27-inch Full HD IPS display with 100Hz refresh rate, smooth experience, and it has inbuilt speakers, handy for casual use, and it has sleek and minimal design with slim bezels and budget-friendly pricing. And the speakers are best, guys. You can watch everything whatever you want. If you are streamers or gamers, you can go for it. And about its cons, the stand only offers tilt, no height adjustment, and brightness could be higher for outdoor setups. Now let me tell you about its pricing. It will get you around 6,000. Yes, you will get from your Flipkart, Amazon, anywhere you can if you want to purchase. So guys, this is our Mark Q monitor review. If you have any questions and queries, you can just comment. I will respond. And if you're looking for a big screen monitor for productivity, online classes, work from home, or casual gaming without breaking the bank, this is the fantastic option, guys. Can be a best monitor in budget friendly range. So this is for today's video, guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay tuned, stay techy.